going to show you how you can use the melt and mold soap at home, even if you don't have fancy soap molds laying around your house. Most of us have cookie cutters laying around, and if we just get a cookie cutter and a piece of foil and mold into, by pressing around 4 little sides, make a little tray, and then put your cookie cutter in that tray. And that's kind of a homemade mold that we're going to make some soap out of. And in our microwave, I have melted some of our avocado-based soap. And to that, I'm going to add some of our lilac color colorizing powder. And you just got to work this with a spoon or until it all completely dissolves. And I think I want it a little darker, so I'm going to go even a little darker. I can still see some little grains of the powder in there. This just takes time to work through. Okay, so once we got it all smoothed out and fully blended, we're going to just pour our soap right into the center of our cookie cutter. And it's okay if it oozes out, that's why we have it in a tray. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to pour it around because we're going to use those scraps, as I'll show you later. It'll hold it in place. And we're going to let that set for about an hour. All right, it looks like our cookie cutter soap has set up here now. Everything is completely hard. And so we're going to go ahead and to simply remove it, we're just going to pull on our foil to release the soap. And you can see the cookie cutter in the back coming through. We're just going to try to break away the pieces. And then we're going to try to ease it out of the mold here. Hanging on, but it's coming. Just gently push it through. And you can use any size cookie cutters for any holiday or any season or any shape or any little girls, and there you have a shaped soap. Now, we're going to show you what to do with your leftover scraps. And never ever throw anything away. This is of good use, and I'm going to show you how to make chunky soaps with this scraps.